Hey guys, we have free online textbook. Just click the link on the description below and you can access our vocabulary list, exercises, and listen to Japanese people speaking Japanese words and sentences to help you learn Japanese fast and easily. It's free! Nani kore? Ban-san wa Italia go ga wakarimasu ka?
いえ、わかりません。
バンさんはカラオケが好きですか？
もちろん大好きですよ。
どうも皆さんお元気ですか？ How are you guys? It's me again and welcome to lesson 9 grammar explanation. And before proceeding to this video, make sure to watch our lesson vocabulary for you to understand the words that we will use in this lesson. では始めましょう。So our topics for today, we're gonna learn the use of the particle ga with the verbs arimasu and wakarimasu. And we will use the particle ga with the adjectives suki, kirai, jozu, and heta. And we're gonna learn how to say reasons in Japanese. So our first grammar point is noun ga arimasu and noun ga wakarimasu. So the meaning of arimasu is to have and wakarimasu is to understand. So our first example is Watashi wa youji ga arimasu. Watashi wa youji ga arimasu. Okay? So the particle ga is attached to the object of the verb arimasu. So arimasu means to have. Then I have something to do. Youji means something to do or errands. So youji ga arimasu, have something to do. Next example is Watashi wa kuruma ga arimasu. You attach the particle ga to the object kuruma ga arimasu. I have a car. Now, for the verb wakarimasu, means to understand. We attach the particle ga to the object that you understand. Okay? For this example, Watashi wa Nihongo ga wakarimasu. Watashi wa Nihongo ga wakarimasu. We attach the particle ga to the word Nihongo. So, Nihongo ga wakarimasu, I understand Nihongo. And next example is Watashi wa Italia go ga wakarimasu. Watashi wa Italia go ga wakarimasu. So, Italia in English is Italy. Then we attach go. So, it means Italian language. Ga wakarimasu, I understand the Italian language. So, you can also say, if you understand English, Watashi wa eigo ga wakarimasu. Watashi wa eigo ga wakarimasu. Now, for second grammar point, the noun ga suki desu, noun ga kirai desu, noun ga jozu desu, and noun ga heta desu. Suki means like, to like. I like something. Kirai means hate. I don't like. Then jozu is you're good at something, and the opposite is heta. You're bad at something. So let's look at the example for the suki. So watashi wa karaoke ga suki desu. Watashi wa karaoke ga suki desu. Once again, we will use the particle ga to the object that you like. So karaoke, then the particle ga suki desu. I like karaoke. So for the next example, watashi wa ano hito ga kirai desu. So we attach the particle ga to the word ano hito. You hate that person. Next example is Watashi wa amai mono ga suki desu. Watashi wa amai mono ga suki desu. I like sweet food. So amai means sweet. So mono literally means thing. But if you attach it with amai, then amai mono means sweet foods. Particle ga suki desu. So you like the amai mono, the sweet foods. Amai mono ga suki desu. Next example, Watashi wa karai mono ga kirai desu. Watashi wa karai mono ga kirai desu. You attach the particle ga to the word karai mono. So karai means spicy. Karai mono, spicy foods. Then particle ga kirai desu. Now for the adjectives jozu and heta. Jozu means good at and heta means poor or not good at something. So our first example, watashi wa tennis ga jouzu desu. Watashi wa tennis ga jouzu desu. So you attach the particle ga to the word that you are jouzu, you are good at. In this example, you are good at tennis, so tennis ga jouzu desu. Next, watashi wa dansu ga heta desu. Watashi wa dansu ga heta desu. We attach the particle ga to the word dansu, then heta desu means I am not good at dancing. I am poor at dancing. Then you can also replace watashi wa with the name of other person. For example, Ban-san wa dansu ga jouzu desu. Ban-san wa dansu ga jouzu desu. Mr. Ban is good at dancing. Grammar point number 3, donna noun. Donna noun. Donna noun means what kind of noun or what sort of noun. So in this example, donna noun, donna tabemono ga suki desu ka? Donna tabemono ga suki desu ka? So what kind? Donna tabemono, foods. What kind of foods? Then the particle ga, suki desu ka, do you like? So we attach the particle ga to the donna tabemono ga, then suki desu ka, what kind of foods do you like? Then the answer is watashi wa amai mono ga suki desu. So the word amai mono, then the particle ga suki desu. I like sweet foods. Second example, donna sports ga suki desu ka? Donna sports ga suki desu ka? So donna sports, what kind of sports? Then particle ga suki desu ka, do you like? Then he answered yakyu ga suki desu. Yakyu ga suki desu. So yakyu means baseball. I like baseball. Another example, donna ryori ga suki desu ka? Donna ryori ga suki desu ka? Donna ryori, what kind of dishes? Particle ga suki desu ka, do you like? Then he answered Italia ryori ga suki desu. Italia ryori, Italian dishes. Particle ga suki desu. I like Italian dishes. Grammar point number 4, yoku, daitai, taksang, skoshi, amari, zeng. In this lesson, we're gonna learn another adverbs of degree. So the yoku, daitai, and skoshi can be used with positive or affirmative sentences. So in this example, yoku wakarimasu. So once again, the meaning of wakarimasu means to understand, and we attach yoku, it means understand well. So next example is daitai wakarimasu. The word daitai, it means almost. So you almost understand everything. Then next is sukoshi wakarimasu. Sukoshi means a little. I understand a little. And the taksang and sukoshi. Taksang can be also used as quantity. So taksang arimasu. So arimasu means to have, and taksang means a lot. I have a lot of, for example, okane ga taksang arimasu. I have a lot of money. And sukoshi arimasu, a little. I have a little. So when we use these adverbs with a negative sentence, we can only use amari and zeng. So amari wakarimasen, you can translate it, I don't understand much, just like sukoshi, I understand a little. Next is zeng wakarimasen. So if we attach zeng to a negative sentence or negative word, it means not at all. So zeng wakarimasen, I don't understand at all. Next, if we use it as an adverb of quantity, amari arimasen, so it means I don't have much, and zeng arimasen, I don't have at all. So let's use them for our example sentence. First example is okane ga taksang arimasu. Okane ga taksang arimasu, I have a lot of money. So if we remove the word taksang, okane ga arimasu, I have money, then we insert taksang, I have a lot of money. Next, okane ga sukoshi arimasu, I have a little money. Third example is okane ga amari arimasen. So the word amari, we used it with a negative sentence, arimasen. I don't have much money. Next example is okane ga zeng arimasen. zeng zeng plus a negative sentence. Zeng zeng arimasen. I don't have money at all. Now for our next set of examples, the adverbs yoku, skoshi, amari, and zeng zeng. Nihongo ga yoku wakarimasu. Nihongo ga yoku wakarimasu. I understand Japanese well. Next example, Nihongo ga skoshi wakarimasu. Nihongo ga skoshi wakarimasu. So, if we remove the word skoshi, Nihongo ga wakarimasu, I understand Nihongo, or I understand Japanese. Then we insert skoshi, I understand Japanese a little. Nihongo ga amari wakarimasen. Nihongo ga amari wakarimasen. So, once again, amari plus a negative sentence. I don't understand Japanese very well. Next example, Nihongo ga zeng zeng wakarimasen. So, zeng zeng plus a negative sentence. Nihongo ga zeng zeng wakarimasen. I don't understand Japanese at all. Now, skoshi, zeng zeng, and amari are also used to modify adjectives. So, in this example, koko wa skoshi atsui desu. So, once again, let's remove skoshi. Koko wa atsui desu. This place is hot. Then we insert skoshi. Koko wa skoshi atsui desu. This place is a little hot. Next example, ano eiga wa zenzen omoshiro konai desu. So, if you remember this example in our previous lesson, ano eiga wa omoshiro konai desu, that movie is not interesting. Now, we added the adverb zenzen. So, that movie is not interesting at all. Grammar point number 5. Reason kara. Reason kara. So when stating a reason in Japanese, we state the reason, then we attach kara. Like this example, jikan ga arimasen kara. So that is the reason, jikan ga arimasen. I don't have time. Then kara. So because I don't have time. Then the following clause is asagohan o tabimasen. So the reason why asagohan o tabimasen, I don't eat breakfast, is jikan ga arimasen kara, because I don't have time. Another example is yakusoko ga arimasu kara hayaku kairimasu. So hayaku kairimasu means to go home. Then hayaku means early. I will go home early. Then the reason is yakusoko ga arimasu kara, because I have an appointment. So you can also use the reason kara at the end of your sentence. In this example, mainichi Nihongo o benkyou shimasu ka? Mainichi Nihongo o benkyou shimasu ka? So the question is mainichi, every day. Nihongo o benkyou shimasu ka? Do you study? So do you study Japanese every day? He answered, iie. No. Benkyou shimasen. No, I don't study. Then he followed with the reason, isogashi desu kara. Isogashi desu kara, because I am busy. Grammar point number 6. Doshite. Doshite. Doshite in English means why. Why? So, doshite mainichi Nihongo benkyou shimasen ka? So, now he is asking the reason why you don't study Japanese every day. So, doshite, why? Then, mainichi Nihongo benkyou shimasen ka? You don't study Japanese every day. Then, you can answer with the reason kara. Our previous grammar point, the reason kara. So, he answered, arobaito ga arimasu kara. So, once again, we attach the particle ga to the object, arobaito ga, then the verb arimasu. Then, we attach kara to make it our reason. So, arobaito ga arimasu kara, because I have a part-time job. Another example, kyo wa hayaku kairimasu. So, someone said, kyo wa hayaku kairimasu. I'm going home early today. Then, someone asked, doshite desu ka? Why? So, he is asking the reason why. Then, he answered, tomodachi to yakusoko ga arimasu kara. So, if you remembered our previous example, the yakusoko ga arimasu kara, because I have an appointment. Now, we inserted tomodachi to. So, person to, we attach the particle to the person. to the name of person, or in this case, tomodachi, with your friend. So if you have an appointment with your friend, you say tomodachi to. Then yakusoku ga arimasu kara. Our last example, chocolate o tabimasen. So someone said, I don't eat chocolate. Chocolate o tabimasen. Then someone asked, why? Doshite desu ka? He answered, amai mono ga suki ja arimasen kara. This is our previous grammar point, the object ga suki desu, amai mono ga suki desu. So instead of desu, he changed it to ja arimasen because he doesn't like sweet foods. Amai mono ga suki ja arimasen kara. Okay guys, let's have a short recap. Today's topics, we discussed the object ga arimasu. So remember the particle ga. The use of the particle ga is object ga arimasu. Next, object ga wakarimasu or noun ga wakarimasu. You attach the particle ga to the words that you understand. So object ga wakarimasu. Next, noun ga suki desu, noun ga kirai desu, noun ga jouzu desu, and noun ga heta desu. We attach the particle ga to the noun or the object that you like, suki, and the object that you hate, kirai desu. And we attach the particle ga to the things that you are good at, jouzu desu. And also we attach the particle ga to the things that you are heta desu, you are poor at. And the donna noun, what kind of noun? Number 4, the adverbs of degree and adverbs of quantity, yoku, daitai, taksang, skoshi, amari, and zeng-zeng. So we will use the amari and zeng-zeng for negative sentences. Number 5 is we learn the reason kara. We state the reason and attach kara to make the sentence as our reason. And the interrogative doshite, it means why. And that's all for today guys. Thank you for watching this lesson video, and make sure to visit our online textbook at manabutextbook.com so that you can access more exercises about this lesson. Dewa, minasan, ganbatte ne. Minasan, kyo no lesson wa ikaga deshita ka? I hope you learned a lot in today's lesson. If you have questions, you can leave a comment below, and also you can follow me on my Instagram account. Please subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our future lessons. Dewa, mata ne. Bye-bye.
Hey guys, what's up? My name is Ben. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the like button and leave us a comment down below. And if you want to learn more Nihongo, click the subscribe button and click the bell to be notified whenever we upload a new videos. And if you want to know more about MANABU, just follow their page on Facebook and Instagram. Alright, see you on the next one. Ja, mata ne!